Hey everyone, Anton here. In this short video, I want to look at ways to remove blank pages from your brochure. So this is a very common question that we get, so I just wanted to spend 2 minutes showing you precisely how you can remove blank pages from your brochure. So to begin, it's very important to note that the blank pages usually appear in the booklet document layout, because the booklet has 2 pages per view, left page and right page. If you have an odd number of pages in a given section, that will result in a blank page at the end of the section, right? So it doesn't happen when you have a section with even number of pages, like the sales comp section here. We have 4 pages, so 4 pages will span 2 double pages in this sales comp section, and this problem is not going to be there. But in case of the previous section, which is the property section in this case, we see we have an odd number of pages, so there's going to be a blank page at the end of the section. So ways to deal with blank pages. The most obvious one is simple using the single page view, as the single page view doesn't need to have an even number of pages in a section in order to work without blank pages. So the easiest fix is to use the single page view. If you do want to use the booklet, however, and you want to make sure that you have that you eliminate any blank pages, the things to do is in a given section where you have this blank page, you can do several things. One is to add a photo and add it as a custom page, basically, and place that photo in place of the blank page. So let me demonstrate this. I'm going to add a page from an image. I'm going to upload the image. Just call it AA. I'm going to create a page from this image, and I'm going to place it right after the local map, which is going to be right after our area photo. So I'm going to take this custom page and place it right here. And as you'll see, I'm effectively placing a photo page right here. So instead of the blank page, I'm going to have a photo page here, and I've eliminated my blank page. If I want to eliminate or solve this problem in a different way without having to upload a photo, I can look at the pages that we currently have in the section and figure out whether there is a way to, like here in the About Property page, you see the description and property highlights are span a lot of space, and they're basically overflowing. So they span 2 pages in total, which we can eliminate by simply going to the property info and making sure that the information on this page is going to fit on a single page and not creating a second page. So let me go to this property and to property info, and as we can see, I have an extra highlight here that I don't need, and then we have this last paragraph basically copied. So now I've shortened this. I can also take this text and come up with a more concise way to structure the paragraphs, perhaps remove some of the spacing here and some of the empty lines. And now when we go back to the brochure for this property and we look at the property section, and in particular the property overview page, we will see that now all the information fits on one page. It's not overflowing to a second page, and if you look at this section now, it now has even number of pages, so there's no blank page. So that's another thing that we can do. If the blank page is in the sales comps or rent comp section, and we have the detailed comps or the pages with the detailed comps enabled, if we have for instance 5 or 4 comps, in this case there's going to be an extra page with comp number 4 with detailed information for comp number 4 and comp number 5, and then there's going to be a blank page on the right. that we can use a photo page there so that we don't have a blank page. Similarly, if we have charts or if we have this situation with the rent comps, we can either use a smaller number of comps or maybe enable the graphs or maybe add a photo just to make sure that we have an even number of pages. Very similarly, it works for any other section. So for instance, advisory bios. So we have auto-generated advisory bios here, and I have 3 advisors, and this is going to create a situation where we have 3 pages, so odd number of pages in this section, and there's going to be a blank page here. So one solution is removing one of the advisors. The other solution would be adding a photo there, but the other solution also can be just using single page view for the document layout. Now, finally, if we're building a page using a page builder, and we have a situation, for instance, I'm going to simulate this situation here. We have a situation like this, that the information on the page, for some reason, it doesn't fit on one page. What we want to do here is we want to make sure that the font size, we're using a smaller font size, and for tables we're using smaller row height. So instead of 36 pixels, we're using 16. So basically we're condensing the vertical space that the table takes, and we can do something very similar for text blocks. So making the font smaller, eliminating line breaks and the row height for the text blocks, and in that way condensing the information so it fits on one page. If we have a bigger table or more text that overflows and creates a second page in the page builder, you'll see it in the live preview that you suddenly have 2 pages. In some situations, there's no avoiding it. You simply must have 2 or 3 or more pages to capture all the data, whether it's financial data or text. But in cases where you can compress the row height and the font sizes to make it fit one page, in those cases we should use those options. So that's how you can eliminate blank pages from your brochures. Summary: if you use a single page view, you can have even or odd number of pages in every section. So this problem of having a blank page is not going to be there. If you're using a booklet and want to use a booklet, you need to have even number of pages in each section in order to prevent any blank pages. You can add a photo page using the add page functionality, or you can condense the information in some of the pages to make sure that you have even number of pages in that section. You can also group photos. So if you have a situation that you have some photos and you have one photo per page, and you for some reason end up having 3 pages, you can always group photos to create photo grids and hence eliminate some of the pages in your brochure like that. So those are all the options, and we hope that this tutorial is helpful, and see you in the next one.